Have you looked closely at your AirPods Pro lately? Take a look. Let's look up close here. See inside there? It's earwax. Yes, earwax. And today I'm going to demonstrate a good way to clean that earwax out. So, without further ado, I will remove the little rubber thingy. And you see the inside there, but we don't need to deal with that because the wax problem is here. See that? That's the one side. There's a little screen there keeping all the wax from getting into the inners of the AirPods Pro. And here, hold on, you'll see right there. See that? See that wax? Well, we're going to get that out. And the way we're going to get it out is with these. These are little cleaning tools. And I'll put a link to where you can get them under this video. But let me show you what I do. I go down real carefully. And look what I bring out. See that? That's earwax. Okay. You don't want that in your AirPods. Look. See that? There's some more. Okay. Any more? Yeah, a little bit more. And now let's have a look at the AirPods Pro. What do you see there? All gone. Now, the other side, you don't have to worry about because it won't get through. And that's all there is to cleaning your AirPods Pro and making them just like they used to be. Great, huh? Okay. There it is. Look at that. See that? No wax. All gone. Okay. Doodle pip.